Developers understand the code, how the technology is supposed to work, but junior devs don't understand the reasoning, the ownership, or what's the risk behind the editing that variable. Critical files often have hidden dependencies, which often vanish when senior engineers leave the company. And Git history is too vast to manually analyze file by file. And teams don't own who truly does what. That's where our solution comes in, Lore. It's not just a repository memory, but also intelligence. Our ML Pixie not just answers why this file risky or not, but it also tells you why and what would break if it changed. It has 4 key components: danger classifier, expert ranker, wire synthesizer, and heat map engine. Our system architecture is simple. We pull the request from the GitHub repository and extract the layers, and then we put it in a knowledge graph using our Pixie generator and give the output. The repository heat map has several factors that it analyzes and puts in the answer. Compliance is the biggest thing that you look for when you're working on a code. So we made it easier. We are a VS Code extension that, as a developer, when you open the VS Code, you can just call Pixie and tell it to analyze your repository and give it the answer. And you would think we have a lot of answers for this already, but no. Lore matters because it just not tells you about the code and rewrites it, but it tells you why it exists and where it exists. So the ownership lies with you, the knowledge lies with you, not the AI. There is no breakage by accidentally generating a new answer. Thank you.